Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. Oh guys, if you're first time coming here, God bless you. Thank you for coming. If you're new to this channel, oh, you're blessed. So, and old subscribers, thank you for your support. So today you can see this yummy spaghetti. If you want to know how I make it, wait and see. So these are the ingredients I want to use for the spaghetti. We have salt, 3 grams of salt. Then we have 3 eggs. I'm using that pink salt I use in my homemade stock cube. If I've watched the video, you understand. So this is a 300 grams of whole wheat flour. So there's something I want to let you know concerning this the quantity I'm using. Anytime you use one for this spaghetti, anytime you use 100 grams of flour, you will use 1 egg. So I'm using 300 grams, so I'm using 3 eggs. I'm breaking this confidently inside the flour because I have tested the egg and see that the eggs are okay. How do you check your eggs if they are fresh and okay? Pour water inside a bowl, then pour the eggs inside. The ones that float, they are not fresh. The one that sink down deeply and relax, they are fresh. I mean fresh. So I've tested mine, they are very fine. So you can see I'm starting to mix the eggs and the flour. So I'm trying to get the eggs and the flour not to be too sticky on my hands. So this is salt, and now start with my hands. So work with your hand. This is where you work. Don't worry, don't put water, don't add any water. Except you are using smaller eggs that doesn't have enough, to join with the flour. You can add small water, just little. Work with your hands. So this is the final stage of this dough. So you will allow it to rest for some time, either 10 minutes. I did it off camera to save our time. So I allow it to rest for some time. Then I use my rolling pin to roll it out before it will get to the next stage. So this is the next stage for it. This is a hand machine, it's not electrical. So you can use this machine for your chin and also mostly for pasta, this spaghetti of a thing. So I'm trying to put it the way I want. So guys, I forgot to show you how, if you don't have the machine, how you will use your hands to cut this spaghetti. I think maybe next time in my video I will show you how to do it. So if you don't have this machine, you will not worry and say I will not do it because I don't have the machine. So you can as well use your hands to do it. Only that this one is more faster and more neater. Okay. So you can see my daughter is helping me out because the table I used to hang this machine before, I have changed it. So the one I'm using now is somehow slippery. So it needs two people to be holding it so that it will be able to stand to tight well. So we are working on it. You can see the spaghetti. Guys, it's good to do something fresh sometimes. You know, it's not that I cannot buy spaghetti, but sometimes you like to eat something fresh. Yes, if you know how to do it, just do it fresh and enjoy with your family. So this is it. This is it. I sprinkle some of the flour so that it will not gum together. The same whole wheat flour. So to make the sauce I will use for this spaghetti, look at the ingredients I have here. I have shrimps, I have black pepper, I have chopped garlic, I have mixed vegetables. It's frozen. So I purposely brought this out because this is a homemade stock cube I made last time. So you can see it's reducing because I'm using it. If you have not watched this video, go and watch it. Extra virgin oil. There's a garlic. Allow to fry for some time. Then this is our shrimps. Yeah. Okay, this is my tomatoes. I forgot to show you when I was showcasing the ingredients. Sorry guys. This is it. Tomatoes. Okay, this is the stock cube. Oh, wow. Guys, try this. Try to make it for your family. It's healthier than the one we normally buy in the store. It's healthier. I didn't add salt in this meal because this stock cube contains salt already. Everything is inside. If you have this kind of stock cube, you don't need to add all the spices before you cook. You know, this is how Italians cook. They don't so much add spices, and their food, yummy, yummy. So this is the mixed vegetables, and this is the black pepper. This is after 5 minutes later. 5 minutes. You see the thing is taking shape. It's taking shape. You remember this? These are spaghetti. It's cooking and it's getting done. You can see how. Yeah. So this is it. Wow. The food is taking shape. Guys, try this. You will love it. I'm telling you, you will love this. In this Christmas, take it as one of your meals. Yes, for your visitors, they will love it. Wow. You know, make something different for your family. Wow, this is it, guys. Wow, it's ready. And if you're watching to this period, you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be able to be notified. Hit the notification bell, yes, so that you'll be notified at all time I upload video. Thank you so much for watching to this stage. Comment below if you like this. God bless you. Like the video also. Ciao.